Hi all, welcome to Shilpa's Math Classes. Today we are going to discuss about squares and square roots. Okay, first of all we can check what is squares. So, for example, a square, you can read it as a square, means a into a multiplying with the same number. For example, 3 square means 3 into the same number 3, that is equal to 9. Okay, then 4 square, which is equal to 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. Okay, then so these are squares 9 and 16. Then we can check one more example. 5 into 5, 5 square means 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. So these numbers 9, 16, 25, etc. are known as perfect squares. So we can make a table of squares of numbers from 1 to 10. So number, then squares. First 1, then square of 1 is 1 into 1, that is 1. Then number 2, square of 2 is 2 into 2, that is 4. Then 3, 3 into 3, 9, 4, 4 into 4, 16, 5, 5 into 5, 25. Write the remaining things on the right side. Number, then squares. 6, 6 into 6, 36. 7, 7 into 7, 49. 8, 8 into 8, 64. 9, 9 into 9, 81. And 10, 10 into 10, 100. Okay. I put this in one column. So these are the squares of numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so we have numbers from 1 to 10 and the squares of them. Square of 1 is equal to 1, square of 2 is equal to 4, and square of 3 is equal to 9, and so on. Okay, then what is square root? For example, the symbol for square root is this thing. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. So we can see that 4 into 4 is 16. Is it? So the reverse thing. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. You can check this from the table. So square root of 16 is equal to 4. Similarly, what is square root of 25? From the table square, you can check this row. 5 square is 25. So square root of 25 is equal to 5. Similarly, square root of 81. You know 9 into 9 is 81. So 9 square is 81 and square root of 81 is 9. So we can write 9 square is equal to 81. Also square root of 81 is equal to 9. I'll show one more example. 7 square. 7 square is 7 into 7, 49. Then square root of 49 is equal to 7. Okay. Then suppose you have another big number. For example, it's better to learn squares of numbers from 1 to 10. If you don't know, just multiply that number with the same number, then you will get square of that. Suppose someone asks you, what is the square of 20? 20 square, you can write it as 20 square means 20 times 20, which is equal to 400, is it? Then square root of 400 is equal to 20. So when you see a question, just square root of 400, the meaning is it's equal to 20. Okay, but What is negative 20 into negative 20? Write it. What is negative 20 into negative 20? That is also positive 400, is it? Based on integer multiplication rule. If you don't know integer multiplication rules, you can watch our integer videos. I'll provide the link in comment section. So negative 20 into negative 20 is also 400. So we can write square. If you see a question like plus or minus root of 400, then we can write it as plus or minus 20. That means it can be either positive 20 or negative 20. Okay. One more example, square root of 81 plus or minus square root of 81 means it can be either positive 9 or negative 9. Is it? Just root of 81 means when you get a question, just root, and you see just root of 81, we can write 9 itself. Then, but when you see plus or minus square root of 81 means it can be either 9 or negative 9. Okay. Then, what if the question is negative of square root of 81? Then it is negative of square root of 81 is 9. So the answer is 9. Negative. Okay. So that is the difference between just square root of 81 plus or minus square root of 81 and negative of square root of 81. Okay. I will show another example. For example, just root 36 means it's 6. Plus or minus root 36 means it can be either positive 6 or negative 6. Negative of root 36 means it's negative of 6. Okay. So you know how to find squares and square roots. Then next question. What is the square of 24? How will you find 24 square? 24 square means 24 into 24, is it? So 24 into 24, 4 into 4, 16, 1, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 into 2, 8, 2 into 2, 4. So 6, 7, 5, 7, 6. So the answer is 576. So if you get any number, if you need to find any number square, just multiply that number with the same number, then you will get the square of that number. Is it? Okay, then next thing, how can you find the square root of a big number? I'll show an example. Okay, so you are given with a question. Finding squares is easy because square of a number means just multiply that number with the same number. But when you get a question like this, what is square root of 484? Square root of 484. What will you do? So you can factorize that. Factorize that means check whether it is divisible by any number. Yeah, it's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So we can write 2 here. Then 484 divided by 2 is 242. Is it? Again, it is an even number. It's divisible by 2. So it is 121. Again, 121, whether it is divisible by any other number. Yes, 11. You know, if you know 11 is table, 11 times 11 is 121. So, this is 11. That means the number 484 can be written as 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Then, how can you find square root of 484? Square root of 484 is equal to, if you can see a pair of numbers here, just take one number from that pair. That means here you can see a pair of 2's. So when you take square root, just take only one number from that 2. Again, a pair of 11's here, you can take only one 11. So 2 into 11, 22. So square root of 484 is equal to 22. Okay, is the method clear? Okay, I will show another example. Um, Suppose you get a question, what is square root of 784? 784. So first of all, factorize 784 like this. 784 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. It's 390. 392 is it 784 divided by 2 is 392. Again, it's an even number, it's divisible by 2. So 196 is 392 divided by 2 is 196. Then 196 is also divisible by 2. So divisible by 2, that is 98. 98 is also divisible by 2. So you can write 49. And 49 is divisible by 7. So 7 into 7, is it? So you can write the number 784 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Okay. Then how can you find square root of 784? So the number 784 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So when you take square root, from each pair you can take only one number. So from a pair of 2's, we can take only 1, 2. Again, from a pair of 2's, we can take only 1. Then next is a pair of 7. So you can take 1, 7. So the answer is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 7, which is equal to 28. Root of 784 is equal to 28. We can check the answer whether it is correct by multiplying 28 by 28 itself. We can check that too. 28 times 28. 8 into 8, 64, 6, 8 into 2, 16 plus 6, 22, 8 into 2, 16, 1, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, then add 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 2, 7. So 784's root is 20. Okay, we can check another example. Okay, we can take a big number. Just a minute, we will give another. Okay, we can take 625. What is the square root of 625? So first factor is 625 like this. It's divisible by 5. So 1, then 2, 5, 125. It's again divisible by 5. Then 25, it's again divisible by 5. So you can write 625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So root of 625 means we have to take only 1 5 from a pair of 5's. Then again one more pair of 5. So you can take 1 more 5. So the answer is 25. So square root of 625 is equal to 25. That means 25 into 25 is equal to 625. Okay, we can check one more example. Okay, what is square root of 441? So first factorize 441. It's not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. Whether it is divisible by 3? Yes, how can you know that? Just take the sum of these digits. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay. So divide that by 3. So 441 divided by 3. 1, 4, 7. Okay. Then 147 divisible by 3. Just take the sum of digits. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. So 147 is also divisible by 3. So 147 divided by 3 is 49. And you know 49 is 7 times 7. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. So we can write the number 441 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So how can you find square root of 441? From a pair of 3's, you can take only 1 3. And from a pair of 7's, you can take 1 7. So 3 into 7, that is equal to 20. So square root of 441 is equal to 21. We can check our answer. 21 times 21, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 4. So take the sum 1, 4, 4. So 441 is the square of 21. Okay, hope the method is clear. And see you in the next class. Bye.